Hey everyone, today we're diving into Wi-Fi profits, also called the three-click Wi-Fi trick, to see if it's a legit way to make money or just another scam. Before we start, remember this is based on my personal opinion and research from trusted sources. So what is Wi-Fi profits? According to webvader.com, it's a digital program sold on ClickBank, a legit affiliate marketplace. The creators market it as a beginner-friendly system that promises you can start making money online with just free clicks and no tech skills. The core program costs $67, but beware, there are multiple upsets that can quickly add up to hundreds of dollars. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. The marketing is full of hype, dramatic sales videos, wild income claims, and supposed testimonials. In fact, some of those testimonials are from Fiverr actors, which here's the questions their authenticity. What's really inside Wi-Fi Profits? It's basically a repackaged affiliate marketing course. You get basic affiliate marketing training on promoting offers from platforms like ClickBank. Traffic methods focused mostly on posting in Facebook groups. A page cloning tool that lets you copy existing sales pages and swap in your affiliate links. The training itself is very basic stuff, things you can find for free on YouTube, and the strategies are outdated and likely won't work well in the long term. Malware Tips calls this out a slick, emotionally manipulative scam. It promises daily passive income and secret methods big tech doesn't want you to know, but what it delivers is generic affiliate tips with no real shortcut to wealth. The famous three clicks process doesn't actually exist. Characters and stories used in the ads are fabricated, and the earnings screenshots are fake. For the final verdict, cut. For the final verdict, Wi-Fi profits is not a magical money-making hack, but a basic affiliate course wrapped in heavy marketing hype and questionable testimonials. If you decide to try it, be cautious and aware of upsells and unrealistic promises. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews.